expert bathroom remodeling services in Santaquin, Utah. For exceptional bathroom remodeling in Santaquin, Utah, EagleRidge is the trusted choice for homeowners seeking quality craftsmanship and modern design. Whether you're upgrading an outdated space or creating a luxurious retreat, our team specializes in transforming bathrooms with expert precision. We handle everything from new tubs, showers, and vanities to custom cabinetry, flooring, lighting, and smart technology integration. Our remodeling process begins with a personalized consultation to understand your vision and ensure a seamless renovation experience. From demolition and structural modifications to plumbing, electrical work, and tile installation, we take care of every detail with unmatched expertise. Our team ensures proper ventilation, waterproofing, and high-quality finishes that enhance both beauty and functionality. Looking for added comfort? We offer heated flooring, spa tubs, walk-in showers, and energy-efficient fixtures to elevate your bathroom's appeal. With a focus on durability and aesthetics, we use premium materials that not only enhance your space, but also increase your home's value. At EagleRidge, we are committed to delivering top-notch bathroom renovations tailored to your needs. Contact us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and let us help you create the bathroom of your dreams in Santaquin, Utah.